I am Micaela. I have no parents to take care of me. I don't go to school, even if I wanted to. I try to survive every day just to stay alive. Isn't it normal to look for food when you are hungry? People try to laugh at me when I get my food. Isn't it because I get my food from trash? I am dirty and smelly that you will find me disgusting. Don't make a fool out of me. What if you suffer the same position as I am? I try to beg for food and money in the streets. Even in street vendors, stores. They will just push me away. My last option is to beg in houses. The same thing will happen. They will push me away. My home is in the corner of the street. I always try to survive the coldness in the night. Most of the time, I have no choice. But to sleep my hunger away. In the morning, as I wake up, the same thing will happen to me. Nobody seems to care. Every day is just a repetition of yesterday. Scavenge in trash, sleep on the streets, laugh at by people. Tell me, what will I do to survive? Who will help me? I'm alone.
Yun naman, ang pagkakatulak. Masyado na rin. Megay. Dali lang araw, extra tayo. Baguya!
na. Lapit siya kay Manong.